Okay, we're going to unbox Redmi 9A Sport. So this is a package ordered from Amazon. So I've already cut it, but I've not opened the box yet. So as you can see, the first Redmi 9A Sport, India's #1 brand, made in India. Okay, then there's some awards to this phone, and there's some features: 6.53 inches dot notch display, then 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging inside the box, then one camera 13 MP rear, and then after it has Helio G25 with hyper engine 1.0, then many other features as you can see. Yeah, then now I'm going to open the phone.
Okay.
This is the phone. First, we'll not see the phone. We'll see what's there inside the box. We'll go to the phone later. Let's see what they're giving in the box. First is a pin, then some manuals like how to use the phone and all that we don't need, just chuck it off. Then 10-watt charger outside the box. Okay. Then you see the cable.
What? Oh, it's not C-type.
Okay. It's normal
That's it.
one. Nothing else I guess inside the box.
No.
Now we are going to the phone. Okay, we just removed it. You can see the design from the back how it looks. It has the normal charger, then it has speakers, then 3.5 mm jack. Maybe it's on the top, I don't know. Camera,
It's bloody.
as you can see, it's a 13 MP camera. You can see the 3.5 mm jack there. And then yeah, SIM card slots. Open that.
Open the SIM more.
Okay. Let's see how many slots are there inside the SIM. Okay, you can keep two SIM cards and one SD card slot.
Yeah.
So it's 3 card slot. Okay, now let's open the screen guard.
It's not on. The fuck?
Okay, as you can see, it's awning.
We will remove.
Okay, you can see a
son of a bitch.
You can see the LED light also they're giving you. You can see that. Yeah, notifications and all, you can get it from there. Okay, this is setting up time. We'll set it up and then we'll come to you back. Removing the cover.
Wow.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll set it up and come back to you. This phone is switched on. As you can see, it has a dot display.
This is the home page. Oh, what is to show? About phone.
We're going to the camera and showing you all the features. Okay, as you can see the camera, it has HDR feature, AI, and all the basic features that you get in other phones. Then video, let's see what's the resolution. 1080p is the highest with the 30 fps, and you can shoot 720p with 30 fps also. And then afterwards you get a pro mode. You can do a lot of things here. Then yeah, let's go to portrait. Yeah, portrait basic in every phone. Then you get some features. Night mode is there, short video, time lapse, and then you can edit. And yeah, this is the camera, so we'll take some photos and we'll show you in the video. As you can see, this is the bill. Amazon. Actually, this phone is 7,000, but as you can see, 6,399. We got 600 rupees off. There was a voucher given by Amazon. So yeah, if you want to purchase this phone, you can get it for 6,399 if you buy it now.